Imagine a world where electricity was a luxury, localized, fragile, and bound to the limits of raw coal. In 1925, the average power plant was a noisy, inefficient beast. Steam pressures rarely topped 30 bar, and efficiencies hovered at a measly 15%. If you wanted power, you had to live right next to the plant. But over the next 50 years, a quiet revolution of steel, science, and fire would rewrite the rules of human civilization. First came the shift in how we burned. Engineers traded heavy grades for pulverized coal, blowing combustible dust directly into massive boilers. Then they targeted the laws of thermodynamics by pushing steam pressures past the critical threshold of 2001.1 bar. Plants like Ohio's Philo station in 1957 bypassed boiling altogether. They conquered supercritical steam, driving efficiencies past 35% and paving the way for gigawatt-scale giants. But the mid-century brought a completely new force to the grid. In 1954, Soviet scientists plugged the world's first nuclear reactor into a public grid. Within 3 years, America's shipping port station proved that pressurized water reactors could safely power entire cities. The atomic age had arrived, promising massive carbon-free baseload power that would fuel the post-war industrial boom. Massive power meant nothing without a way to move it. Local grids began to merge, forming regional supergrids. Transmission lines vaulted from double-digit kilovolts to towering extra-high voltage AC lines operating at over 700 kilovolts. And in 1954, high-voltage direct current, or HVDC, emerged, enabling utilities to send bulk power across vast oceans and connect entirely independent grids. By 1975, the local powerhouse of the 20s had evolved into a massive interconnected gigawatt-scale engine. We had tamed steam, conquered the atom, and wired the globe. But as a global energy crisis loomed in 1973, a new challenger was waiting in the wings, one that would redefine efficiency forever. Next time, we step inside the rapid-fire evolution of the modern gas turbine. For more information, visit globalpowernews.com or find my YouTube channel at Nawaz Lakho Power Pro. Don't forget to like and share.